Hello, friends. So today is the day. We're gonna do a foam wash on my pickup. It's been about 2.5 weeks. So let's take a close look. Hopefully it will come out in the camera. There's quite a bit of gunk on it. We've had a little bit of rain. Get a good look at it there. That is all over the pickup, about halfway down. Okay.
They're 12-inch strips. Got them for $1 at Menards. There you go. I'm going to bring you two because I've only used one.
Well, thank you.
Or I've used two. I used one for that hose and one for a bunch of hair ties.
Oh. So that is my daughter who just arrived. So that is the look at the pickup. Now we're going to get set up and get started. At the same time, we are reviewing the MJJC Foam Cannon. I'll show you that here in just a second.
What is it? What?
MJJC.
I feel like it should jingle. So 2 milliliters of snow foam into 1 liter of water. Okay, that's 100 milliliters. Man, really?
What?
That's 100 milliliter, right? Yeah, right here. So it wants like a cap.
That doesn't seem like much, does it?
And it says 1,000 milliliters per liter. Which
So I assume we probably need to fill that up first.
fill this up and then put like a cap, I guess.
Okay. Well, I imagine it's going to be, you said that was 100, so that means it's 1/5.
No, this is 1,000.
No, the bottom one was 100.
Oh. Right, so. Nothing more. There.
Okay.
Because I pretty much topped it off. There you go. It's green. I like that. That part of it. I don't know why I make my life difficult like that. How does this work?
I have no idea. The power washer we are using is a Ryobi electric power washer. It's 2000 PSI and 1.2 GPM. It's a pretty nice little machine. Whoa! So today I have my daughter Tori with me. I figure let her play around with the foam cannon, figure it out, you know, get a feel of it. And I'm also looking for the water behavior on this 8-year coating from DIY Detail. I want to see how it's doing after a few weeks. So kind of excited there. Also, if you're interested in purchasing this MJJC foam cannon, you can do so through my affiliate link. You can find that in the description box. But that could be the soap, right? Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
It's a nozzle. I had to turn the wrong way, I guess.
So give it a little bit more. See what happens. There we go.
stepping on it. If we would have thought about it ahead of time, there's one thing we could have done. Is grab it, or if I had the socket with me, was to pull its center cap off.
Repelling it. Always go halfway.
Is this how?
Huh?
Is this how he showed you to do it? Halfway, or is this something you already knew?
Halfway, and then you come back and grab the bottom.
Oh. See, washing my own stuff, that's a good...
Because all the crap is down there.
Ah, I knew that.
Now I cannot reach up there. Well, the soap, the snow foam, it's actually not too bad. And MJJC Foam Cannon made some decent foam out of that. It just kind of glides over the coating. And by the way, the 8-year coating looks to be holding up very, very well. You're caught.
Help me. Oh, there you go. The top of it.
Look at that. Look at that. Like a
Look at them, like, monster-sized rocks.
monster-sized beads. Oh, frickin' cool. I'll go ahead and rinse it off, and then we'll get this side foamed down.
Look at them.
I know, just zoom.
I like it.
Yeah.
The satisfaction of just...
Dang, they just took a dive.
And the sound. Not working in the sun, it's not recommended. I know that much.
Say what?
And I know working in direct sun is not recommended.
Yeah.
Ew. Oh, the caliper get in the way again?
What?
Did your caliper get in the way again?
No, not that time.
The front one will.
Yeah, because of the way it's set.
And it's bigger. Well, the rotor's bigger. Here, look at the dirt just coming off of it already.
Yeah.
Just halfway.
Yep, halfway down. And then you'll come back and get the bottom.
Good trick to know. I touched it.
That way you're not spreading everything. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Over to the rest of the paint and the coating.
And you're not just spreading the dirt.
Yeah.
dirt. Looks like hair. I'd be scrubbing for hours trying to get regular dirt off. Quitters. I like it. Really? It's
What?
that simple?
It's that simple. You didn't think it was simple?
No! I'm the one that's sitting here working an extra bit, using all that energy, washing it, and then use all energy drying.
Look at that.
You beauty. Come look at it.
What?
The camera view.
Now this is something I can't get. But we just do it this way.
I feel ashamed of washing my own stuff now.
Why?
Because I didn't know it was easy like that. I didn't know it was just like a throw it and pull it
Why
back.
wouldn't it be? You don't want it to be easy?
I do. That's the problem. I used to like wipe the entire thing dry with like 7 towels. 7 microfiber towels. I'm like,
No. You want to... Okay, here you go. Now, just grab a hold of it up at the top and go to the front of the bed.
Oh, sorry.
Just like that, yeah. Now put it down on top of the bed there on the rail.
Feels like a bath mat.
Okay, now come back and get that bottom side there.
I feel like an idiot not knowing this.
Why?
I didn't know this was
Well, make sure you get the back too.
I didn't know it was this simple.
It's simple. You just need to dry it as fast as possible. So you use that towel, you push it forward, and just go. You should not be on any one spot more than just a couple seconds. Come up to the top. Now come across. Come on, put some speed in it. Shit, put the fire going. Put the fire on.
You told me to speed up, so I slowed down. You know better. With me.
Yeah.
I didn't pay attention to you doing the windows, so.
Yeah, I just went across them. And then come back and work my way down. Now drop down and work your way down. I just don't want water spots, otherwise we wouldn't be drying it.
Water spots suck anyway.
There you go.
I missed.
And throw it.
Man, why'd you give me the antenna sign?
Come on. There you go, you're good. Red.
Oops. I threw it too far.
There you go. Work your way across. Do it again.
I didn't know I was in for physical exercise.
Oh my God. Don't be a baby.
Dying. Does that work?
It does if you ask her.
There's no wind.
I know.
That's so sucks.
So, what are your thoughts on the foam cannon? It looked like it was a little difficult for me in the beginning.
It was the controls, the amount of foam control on the top of it. It was a little questionable at first. It has the arrows that tells you more or less, but I had it turned backwards, which threw me off. So once I turned it back the other way, it actually started foaming.
Okay.
But
So it's a little slow to start if you don't know what you're doing.
yeah.
All
Or
right.
if you just like jump into it like we did.
Yeah, we just jumped into it, so yeah. What did you think of the foaming?
Like how it laid out.
Yeah.
It was nice.
Once you figured it out.
That was nice.
Okay.
And it's got multiple different settings, like not multiple different settings, but the level of foaminess and your angle of spray.
Okay.
Which, trying to find that little happy medium. I did it quite quickly, but finding that happy medium is what you need.
Right.
And
Okay.
and then hopefully you don't mess up your settings next time you use it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's probably going to be an issue, but that's all right. We'll figure it out.
It happens.
It happens. Okay. Well, thanks for helping me. I appreciate it. Okay. Thank you.